defensive and rebounding abilities today. Meanwhile, Coach Jerson commended their opponent because they have a very good system, but he believes that his team is hungrier for a second win coming from a loss. Moving forward.
Kyle Ochavo, buong-buo ang loob.
Buo talaga loob dito si Ochavo. Kaya gusto ko rin ito maging teammate hindi maging kalaban.
Kasi talagang maiinis ka sa kanya pag siya bumabantay sa'yo. Tapos, gumagawa pa siya ng mga play na gano'n. Luciano. Backing down, turn
That's his
around.
strength.
Hinalang na ipa.
Need to be consistent, especially they're facing against a defending champion.
So 9-7 earlier, right before we headed into the quick break, it was Yukien Andrada scoring on the push shot.
Their main scorer just missed it.
Axel Doromal. Oftana. Pati si Oftana.
Sa college level.
Yeah.
Kasi maraming na-inventong liga na pwede mong salihan.
That's right. Kaya dito, ready na sila sa kanilang mother league na NCAA. Let's get back to it. Devara. Doromal. Oh, what a find. Loristo. For to begin this game on Chavo. Heads up play to save that ball. Ortiza. 11 points in the previous contest. Kyle Ochavo against Torres. Nakakapasok lang kanina. Gortiza. Ochavo. Ilalapit. High inside. Bitawan yung pad. Doon. Red Lions, a rocky start so far.
Si Nigel Gonzalez, starting 5 na agad kahit galing sa injury. So it shows na sobrang may tiwala si Coach Yuri sa kanya.
Siya yung alpha PG niya.
Floppy action, pag sa nalagyan.
Harvey daw misfires. Siyempre, mainit yung laban eh.
Mainit. Tingnan natin.
As if Alan Liwag didn't need more motivation. He's already posting MVP numbers in this or in his first 2 games in season 100. Ngayon, tignan natin kung masusurpass niya yan at magugulat tayo mamaya.
Siyempre, sino ba pinalda niya? Si MVP din di ba?
Yeah.
From that spot.
Oh! So far, 21-16. And EAC almost expects a counter from San Beda here in the second frame.
Good cut by Ochavo.
Good cut for
just missed
Kyle.
it.
The EAC bench, 11-5 so far in favor of the Cardinals. Kyle Ochavo still setting the table for EAC. They swing it to Gortiza. Harvey now, back to King from the left elbow.
Malakas.
92. Naabutan mo ba yun, James? Kailan ka?
Kailan ka nag-start?
Ako 92.
92? Grade school pa lang ako.
Yung pala yung pupuntahan nun.
Napakinggan na kita. Naunahan lang kita, partner.
Nasa etapan ako ni JP. Mga ano po, 85-2. Sa Doromal. Replaced Kyle Ochavo just a few moments ago. So he now takes the point guard duties. Luciano straight away.
CSB Blazers really running the break. And sorry possessions here by the EAC Generals.
8 puntos na para kay Justin Sanchez. Dangerous pass. Head coach na si Coach Jerson Cabirte. So talagang komportable dito si Harvey as we see Gortiza backrim that shot. From Facebook and YouTube as well as here inside the venue. You guys might witness history from a school here in the NCAA.
Oh, good pass.
Bagay underneath. Passing into the 17.5 points and 16 rebounds per game.
Wow.
For Aden Liwag.
Solid big man right there. Pero kita natin dito yung EAC. They really want King Gortiza to get going at the start of the game. Talaga pupunta sa kanya ang mga play.
Ito siya ngayon. Pull up Galing.
Timing ng talon. Pagka yung alam niyang kayang-kaya niya, hindi niya basta-basta sasabayan. Iniintay niya talagang mabitawan, hindi niya tatalon. Tsaka ang haba rin ng galam
Ayun.
pag hindi mo siya.
Yun nga eh, may timing na, mahaba galamay, patu-patu pa, no? Tsaka mataas tumalon. Recto. Oh! Again!
Wow!